Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to try out a brand new recipe and we're going to be using my brand new Instapot. Now if I told you I wasn't super nervous about this, I'd be lying. So we're going to give it a go. Today we're going to be making a beef tip recipe. You could put these over noodles, you could put them over mashed potatoes. So let's go ahead and get started. Fingers crossed. I've got my Instapot on saute. So we're going to start out adding just a little bit of oil to that. And what we're going to do is we're going to saute. This is about 1.5 pounds of stew beef. We're going to saute about 1.5 pounds of stew beef. And we're also going to add some garlic salt, some onion powder, and a little bit of pepper. Now the recipe calls for a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, but I don't have any on hand. All I have is soy sauce, and we're not going to alter it. So we're just going to make this without it. So I'm going to go ahead and add my meat. I probably should have waited till it got a little bit hotter, but like I said, I've never used one of these before. So you're going to add your meat in there, and then you're going to add a good teaspoon of garlic salt. We're going to add some onion powder. Probably about 1/2 teaspoon of that. And then some fresh pepper. Oh, I can hear the sizzle. And we're just going to saute this up until the meat starts getting some color to it. And then it's browned on all sides. Now we're going to add about 1/2 cup of beef stock. This is a whole cup. I'm going to save the other 1/2 cup because we're going to add some brown gravy to that as well. I'm going to turn it off. Press cancel. And then we're going to add, this is 2 onions, medium onions. We're just going to add them right in there. And then I've got some mushrooms here. These were the whole mushrooms. I cut them in a little bit bigger chunk, like in 3s. Because you know I like to have a little bite with mine. We're going to add those in. And this is where I get nervous. I'm going to place my lid on. He said I'm going to blow up the house. I hope I don't. See, that's open. Now we're going to hit, let's see, pressure cook for 15 minutes. All right, this cooked for 15 minutes in the pressure cooker. I'm not even going to lie. I was terrified of this thing. I had my hubby do all the work. So now you're going to add to this a packet of the brown gravy mix. We're going to add it into the remaining beef broth there. Now I'm going to turn this back on saute. I'm going to whisk this together. Now that's boiling, we're going to add the gravy mixture and the beef stock right in. Just going to stir it, and you're going to let it cook for just on saute for just a few more minutes. Now for the taste test. I did end up having to add a little bit of cornstarch to it, thicken it a little bit. I think if I would have had another pack of the gravy mixture, which I thought I did, but I don't. I think another pack of the gravy mixture would have been perfect. It would have thickened it a little bit better, but I thickened it with just a little bit of the broth that was in the Instapot with this, with a little bit of cornstarch. So it turned out pretty good, thick-wise. I love mushrooms. You can't go wrong by mushrooms. Got a really good flavor. Let's try the meat. The meat's nice and tender. Get another bite. I hope you like this recipe. I hope you give it a try soon. My husband don't like mushrooms. He said it'd be better without the mushrooms, but put mushrooms in yours. You know I love you guys very much. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Take care.